Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show how to merge multiple audio files into one. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, on your PC or laptop, open up any web browser and then type in audio-joiner.com and then you'll be brought to this page here. And then from here, you'll see a little green add tracks button. Click into that. And then choose the audio files that you want to merge. So I want to merge Sunset Drive and Stay. So I'm going to click on both of these and then click on open. And as you can see, both songs are on this page here, Sunset Drive and Stay. So to join these two tracks together, also you can add multiple tracks. So you can add 3, 4 or 5. So just continue to click add tracks. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to do 2 audio files. So now what you want to do, you can click on format, you can choose MP3, M4A, WAV or FLAC files. So I'm going to do MP3 and now I'm going to click on join. So now this is going to be processing this. So give it a few moments to process. I'll pause this video and get back to you. Alright, as you can see it's done. So I've got the option to download. So you can put it to your Dropbox or Google Drive if you want to from here, but I just want to download it onto my PC, so I'm going to click on download like so, and now it's downloading up here. And now as you can see, both songs have been downloaded into one, and you can see also it's 8.5 megabytes in size, which makes sense because Stay is 5 megabytes and Sunset Drive is 3.5. So yeah, that's it guys, how to merge multiple audio files into one. Thanks for watching it till the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful.